Usually the clients don't have an idea how a self-photography studio works. My name is Joy and I'm one of the co-owners of Solosnapphoto Studio. We always offer customers to come in and just try and test our camera and also how the process goes. So there's no commitment to that. We are very happy to assist anyone who is very curious about how it works.
So we have solo, starting price is
350 pesos. Tapos pwede ka na rin kumuha ng soft copy at ka lang ng 250 pesos. Tapos meron din silang other mga packages under Solo. So meron Solo Plus and Solo Premium.
Ang difference lang ay ito naman yung copies ng ano niya, ng photos and
Ito naman ng
Number of copies.
number of copies.
Maliban sa number of copies, makukuha mo na rin yung
Lahat.
ng soft copy.
Solo, duo,
And groupie.
tatlo all in all.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go for
Groupie. Kasi
Groupie.
minimum of 3.
minimum of 3. Hindi pwedeng solo na groupie.
Pwede itong solo-solo kasi pwede naman natin kunin lahat ng soft copy.
Okay.
Good idea yan, no? Mag-groupie ka na lang, tapos mag-solo-solo kayo sa loob.
Yes. So, pwede rin. Ito yung mga available colors for backdrop.
Okay, so shots will be unlimited. Padali na lang natin. So in the span of 10 minutes, average is like 70 photos, 35 to 70 photos per 10 minutes. That's the average, okay? So again, I'll start the timer.
Okay.
So, that was the experience.
Yes, did you enjoy?
Yes,
Okay.
Actually, this is our first time na magpa-picture as a group.
Yes.
So ngayon, nandito tayo sa Solosnap Photo Studio dito sa may Infinity.
Okay, so siguro let's talk about ano ba yung experience natin individually.
I'm very grateful kasi sa wakas meron na tayong group picture.
Oh.
Tagal na natin hinihintay. Pero good thing, you create memories of your own.
There you go. There you
Sarap
go.
na, no?
So you create memories. Sa akin naman, number 2, it's a little bit therapeutic.
Oh.
So nakita mo yun yung parang may excitement na nagpapa-photoshoot ka, pero wala yung intimidation ng photographer.
Yes, yung mga
Makeup art, mga ganon. So, it's up to your vibe, it's up to your style, it's up to your own choice and happiness. Pagkatapos nun, when you click the parang yung trigger, yun tapos na. It was your creativity, it's your own work.
Mas ito naman yung portion na mas makakatipid ka. Comparing kung sa magpapastudio. Unlimited shots, unlimited posts. So, ilan ang gusto mong photo, pwede kang mag-picture dito.
So if you're happy or if you're with your mom, dad, special occasion, just go here, have a snap, then nandito din yung pictures nyo right there and there.
So, speaking of pictures, nasa labas na yung mga photos natin. So, let's see. Yeah.
Okay, so usually in our basic package, the customer will receive 2 pieces of the 4R and then 2 pieces of the tiled strips. So it has different photos per tile. And soft copy starts with 5 pieces of soft copies. And if customer wants to buy all the soft copies, it will start at 250 pesos only. It will be delivered through Google Drive or AirDrop. If you are looking for a self-photography studio, our studio is open. We are taking everyone, introverts, extroverts, ambiverts, and the like. It's called Solosnapphoto Studio, and we are located here at the Infinity. in Pulong Maragul, Angeles, Pampanga. We are open during weekdays, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. and on weekends, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can check our socials in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, solosnapphotos. And see you here